Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm back with another video content on how to log into your Wells Fargo mobile banking account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Start by tapping open your Wells Fargo application on your mobile phone. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the sign in or login area of Wells Fargo. In the username text box at the top, go ahead and type in your username that is associated with your Wells Fargo account. Now, head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password for your account. If you want to double check your password, click on this eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. If you want to save your username so that you won't have to type in your username again next time you log into your account, make sure to check this box right here where it says save username. But if you're using a public or a shared device, make sure to uncheck that box for your security. Finally, after everything is typed in, you can tap on the sign on button in red, but in case you've forgotten your username, you can tap on this link right below where it says find your username so that you can follow the on-screen prompts and look for your username. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password, you can tap on the link that says create a new password and follow the instructions so that you can reset to a new one. After everything's typed in correct and you're ready to go, tap on the sign on button and you'll be logged into your Wells Fargo mobile banking application. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.